You will need some tools to install your wood wall panels. If you are cutting the panels for height, you'll need a tool to cut the panels with. A fine-toothed handsaw or most power saws will work. If you need to make internal cuts, we recommend having a fine-cut bladed jigsaw ready. You will also need a measuring tape, sandpaper, a utility knife and 25mm screws with wall fixings. First step is to measure the ceiling height of the area you're applying the wood wall panels to. If you need to cut to height, mark down the ceiling height on the panel and make the cut with a saw. Brush off any dust from the panel, finish the wood edges with sandpaper and trim the felt with a utility knife. Add approximately 15 screws to the panel. Use proportionately less screws depending on the remaining size of the panel. You can now secure the panel to the wall and drill in the screws. Do you have an electrical socket or something else in the way that you need to make space for? Measure the area you want to cut out. And mark it down on your panel. Make cuts to the wood slats with a fine cut bladed jigsaw. Cut out the felt with a utility knife. If one of the wood slats gets loose, use superglue to stick it back on. Once the area is cleaned up, you can apply the panel to the wall. Once you reach the end of the wall, measure the remaining horizontal space left. In most cases, you can cut the felt with a utility knife vertically down the panel without cutting the wood slats. Apply that final panel to the wall. Congratulations! You have now installed your stunning wood wall panels.